Merienda DXP Taho, El Cocinero, Mr. Kicks, Sushi Republic, Shrimp and Company, John Daniels Burger, Momo's Cafe, and why we need a panel of judge for our bottling recital. So let's open up the recital. 30% cost of innovation, 30% audience impact, 10% complete. Yes, I love it. Portugal Street Food Festival. We also have complete attendance. Grace Cornelio. At ngayon, makikita namin kayo mag-ampa, ha? Sample. Magkabilang dulo. Ladies and gentlemen, our influencers, Gretchen Grace Cornelio and Timmy Fierce. Pa.
Alam mo ang ginagawa namin pag ganito, pag hindi masyadong pumapalakpak lahat ng hindi papalakpak, mawawalan ng jowa. O hindi na magkakajowa. Kaya uulitin natin. Magpalakpakan na may kasamang iyawan yung Shui! Hindi naman pala, takot naman pala. Pero you can follow me on my social media at Kimmy Fierce, lahat po yan, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Ultimo Twitter or X, yan din yung username. Yan. Thank you so much. Sa mga bata, keep on dreaming and believing in yourself. Lagi nyo tatanong, walang magtitiwala kundi sarili nyo lang din. Ganon. Thank you so much.